Once again, CBSE class 9th, the same chapter, Nature of Matter. From this chapter, only two topics are left. First is the Brownian movement and second is Tyndall effect. Brownian movement, it is composed of two words, Brownian and movement. Now what is the meaning of the word movement? Movement means shifting from one place to another. Brownian is the name of the scientist. This is a phenomena performed by the colloidal solution, or we can say that is a particular property of the colloidal solution. The definition of the Brownian movement, the zigzag movement of colloidal particle. Now look at this graph. This is actually some movement that we call the Brownian movement is represented here. Let us suppose this is the particle of the colloid, any color particle. You must take any ink particle and see the movement of the particle. This particle move like this, zigzag manner, or it may be like this, or it may like this also. What you have to do, you take the glass of water and put a color or ink drop in it. Look at this animation. This is one ink drop and this is the glass in which water is present. Now see the movement of this ink particle, zigzag movement, and this movement is called the Brownian movement. The next topic is the Tyndall effect. Again, Tyndall is the name of the scientist who are given this. When a strong beam of light is passed through a true solution in a beaker in a dark room, the path of light does not visible. But if the same process, same phenomena is performed with the colloidal solution, the path of light is visible. Why? Because the colloidal solution is scattering the beam of light. Now look at the definition and some example. If we are going to define, now what is the proper definition for Tyndall effect? It is a phenomena of scattering of light by colloidal particles as a result of which the path of light is visible, and this process is called the Tyndall effect. Here two examples are there for the process. The first example, two beaker or the glass is taken here. In one glass, let's see the word TS, it means for the true solution. In second glass, it is written CS, that is for the colloidal solution. When a beam of light is focused with the help of a torch, look at carefully, the scattering of light is only in the second beaker. The light is scattered here, and this phenomena is called the Tyndall effect. The light is scattered on the colloidal solution only, it is not present in the true solution. One more example. This is example of a forest area. This is a forest, and this part of the forest, the upper part of the forest is called the canopy. The sun is present outside here, the forest, in the top of the forest. When the sunlight is fall in this canopy or in the forest contain fog. Fog contain the water particle, and this water particles act as a colloidal particle and they start scattering the light like this. This is a very common example, you must visible in the forest, and this is also called the Tyndall effect. This all from this lesson. Bye bye.